Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up My AI on Snapchat. So, with the new update, you don't actually need My AI, Snapchat Plus, to have My AI. All you have to do, tap on it, just do whatever. Send hey, and it's gonna reply. You can ask whatever. How are you? And it's gonna reply. And also you can ask for basically anything as long as it follows the rules. So what's 200 times 80? And it's gonna help you answer your homework or whatever you really need. Maybe make an essay. I'm not really sure if that's possible. Make an essay about Minecraft. And it's gonna do just that in a matter of seconds. And there you go. A very long essay about Minecraft. And it's that simple. It will automatically appear in your chat. And that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any questions? Feel free to comment down below.